This is GR Manufacturing. This is a company that builds add-ons for utility vehicles that people use in hunting or other types of activities of that nature. And what this company and the owner, we met through a function, and they were looking for essentially a web presence. And the process that this involved was something that I simply tried out new. This was basically developing about 5 different concepts, 5 different designs for the client, and the designs were very different, and just letting the client choose and pick. It was sort of like a conveyor belt system. And this is what the client chose. Now, the site initially looked very different. However, building this site on WordPress and really pushing forth the fact that the client can make edits and changes to the website as they want. So the client has gone through and made some changes to the site that probably doesn't help to, rather it helps them to better communicate what they're looking to communicate, which was particularly the situation with the COVID pandemic and how it was affecting shipping. But this was a very straightforward website. As you can see, very brochure style. We have a simple header here. We have some accordion style information display here. So by clicking on these plus signs, it just displays more information about that particular feature. We have a phone number here. We have a social. These are just links and links to the particular companies company's product that they carry. The rest, again, very straightforward, very brochure. We have a drop-down menu system here. If we go to the About Us, again, another just very straightforward, simple presentation. And this was something that, the client wasn't really looking for something too complex. They are probably pretty well known in their field, and just was not looking for something complex. And it was a bit surprising for me because we had some designs that were a lot better, but this was a client that wanted the simplicity of the presentation to be key and simply to display information. And that was primarily it. So, but the particular thing that was so novel with this one here was just going through a conveyor belt system with the design and having the client pick what they wanted. And they've been happy with it for a very long time. If you want to discuss this conveyor belt system for your project and using the conveyor belt system to design your website, whereby we go through different iterations of designs until we get the one that you're looking for, certainly reach out via the website and let's have a chat. Just go to sambuno.com/contact. You can either enter your email, text, or give me a call, and let's have a chat and start the conversation. Thank you.